All right, guys, here's my 2024 Black Edition. And I've got the 23 Black Edition rims on because I put snow tires on using those. But anyways, I wanted to give you guys a quick update. I've had it for just over a year. And honestly, I love it, guys. I still love this truck, okay? It's got the stamped Ridgeline. I have the AAA-liner in here. It's working great. If it rains and it does leak water, which it doesn't really much, but if it did, it would keep my stuff dry because all the water would go underneath. So that's a bonus, guys. Also, still love this, okay? Check that out. I got all my tools in there in the DeWalt stack system. Guys, it's awesome. Love it. Like the dual tailpipes on the vehicle. I also put, I think these are closer to 1.5 inch wheel spacers, guys. I really like it. Okay, it's a lot more flush with the vehicle. I've got these running boards. Links will be in the description. These actually look really good with this truck. And yeah, so far so good. Okay, now I've got these other off-road lights on as well. The bull bar. I like the daytime running lights. It's got the fog lights. And guys, yeah, so far so good. It's been running great. I've got over 25,000 miles on it. On the inside over here, let's see, 25,599 miles, guys. It's running great, okay? So I did have some issues when I first bought this truck, and I did have some transmission shudder issues. I resolved that with using using Lubeguard transmission shudder fix, okay? I had it when I first bought the vehicle, right around 33 to 45 miles per hour. It would shake, and I didn't know what it was. I thought it was a rough patch in the road, to be honest. But it did that every once in a while, a couple times a week. And so added some of that additive. It's gone. It hasn't come back. So keeping my fingers crossed on that. I like these, guys. Check this out. Folded side mirrors. Okay, right there. Folded side mirrors. Love those on the 24 Black Edition. You've also got the ventilated seats and the heated seats, okay? And also the rear passengers also have the heated seats in the rear as well, so that's really nice for them. I love this, guys, right here. This is the center console, and guys, I got a cover for this, okay? So this is a Musology cover right here, and it looks really nice, okay? So the stitching almost matches the car seat stitching. So the condition looks great, still really good. And for cell phone holders, I've got 2 cell phone holders. I use the Lisen brand, and I'll put the link in the description for this, but I like it because it fits the vent really well, and it kind of comes out a little more than some other vents. So I like that a lot, guys. I've got the all-weather mats. I love those as well. Links will be in the description for that. Also, you've got the sunglass stuff here, and it's nice, but I kind of carry a couple extra sunglasses, so I added this here to hold an additional set of sunglasses. I'll put the link in the description for that as well. It works really good. I've got the Turbo dash cam, front and rear. That was really easy to set up, guys. That was pretty much a plug and play, really easy to set up. And obviously the COMNOVA self-driving, which was one of the main reasons why I got the truck, was because I was able to make it more self-driving. Any other issues with this truck? No, but you do need to make sure you guys are maintaining the fluids in these vehicles, okay? A lot of these new vehicles, they're very particular and picky about how often you're changing the fluids. Every 5,000 miles, guys, for your engine. No more than that. Don't go much more than that if you care about your engine. You can stick to 0W20, that's fine. Personally, I've been fixing cars for 30 years, and I like to run my oils just a tad thicker, okay? So I'll put in 5W30 for my truck. For all my vehicles, really, I'll up it up one notch. just better for the engine. You know, it's a personal choice. It's up to you guys. You guys can stick to what the manufacturer says, but in my 30 years of real life trial and error, thicker oil is better. Okay. What else? Transmission fluid. You need to change that every 30,000 miles. Okay, like clockwork. You guys really need to do that. The first time you should be doing it around 15,000 for the first time. After that, every 30,000 miles for the transmission fluid. And that also applies to the rear differential fluid, which is the dual pump special fluid. I made videos on all this stuff. I've made videos on transmission fluid changes, you know, the axle fluid change. And I also had a 2023 Black Edition before I bought this 2024 Black Edition. So I've driven a Ridgeline, this generation, between both years over 70,000 miles. And obviously right now this one's got 26,000 miles, but I put on about 45,000 miles on my 23 before I traded it in. I like the truck, guys. What else? I'm kind of debating whether or not I like the 2023 rim is better than the 2024 Black Edition. But it rides really smooth. If you guys are looking at getting a truck that drives really smooth on the freeway, this is the ones that you're gonna want to get. Okay. Now, if you're gonna be towing a lot and going off-road, then yeah, get a different truck. Get something with more height. I do wish that they made these taller. You can get a lift on them. The only reason why I'm not doing a lift on mine is because I do mostly freeway driving. But oh, the hardtop, guys, I love this hardtop. Okay, so get yourself a nice hardtop. If you're gonna go a soft top route, the Tyger T3 soft top is probably one of my best. I've gone through about 4 or 5 different types of covers on these, the roll-ups from the North Mountain to the Tiger to other soft tops. And I like the OEDRO. It's really nice. I'll put a link in the description. I also made a video on how to install it. There's also the Yita Motor brand hardtop that works really good as well. But everything about the truck I like. Okay. I love the auto start for the Black Edition. I don't know if all the trims have it, but I know the Black Edition does. So I like the auto start. I like the heated seats, and I love the heated steering wheel. Okay, especially when you're living out in the Pacific Northwest. You can see there's a little bit of ice bits. It's pretty cold, so give it a thumbs up, guys. Hopefully your Ridgeline's treating you good as well. I'm expecting mine to last forever, and you know, stay on top of the maintenance on these things. They really will treat you well, and probably my favorite vehicle of all vehicles that I've had. And trust me, I've driven everything from BMWs to Volkswagens to Audis to Toyotas, lots of Toyotas, guys. But so far this Ridgeline has been the best riding, overall most versatile truck that I enjoy. So I liked it so much, I traded in my 2023 for a 24, so give it one of those, guys. Over and out.